this city is a very mysterious one. I wouldn't want to end up here alone at night. It's very impressive. Oh my God, I will try to get here closer. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're still in Tuscany, and if you haven't seen my previous vlog from Tuscany, I will leave you a link up here because previously I was in Lucca and today I'm in Volterra. Volterra is a fantastic city. It's probably one of my favorites in Tuscany. It's rather small, it's not huge, but it's so authentic and so beautiful. It's a true medieval city with this medieval atmosphere, with these beautiful intact buildings. I love this city. Actually, Volterra is an Etruscan city, and even the name is Etruscan, and there is a lot of Etruscan legacy here. However, it also gives you this vibe of authentic medieval Italian town, and I'm definitely here for it, guys. It's linked to some of my very favorite historical characters, and I will talk about them in a few minutes. And now, if you're ready, I invite you to discover this fantastic town with me. So let's go! Volterra is so unique not only because of its peculiar location and absolutely splendid architecture and history, but also because this city is a very mysterious one. Volterra's history is closely linked to the witches. It is even said that the first witch ever, who was the daughter of goddess Diana, was from Volterra, was born here in Volterra in the 14th century, and basically like she wasn't born, you know, she was sent here in order to teach people her wizarding arts, and then she was condemned to death, you know, the fate that basically most witches encountered back in times. However, it is said that the most powerful witches of Italy were all from Volterra, and they even had all the special places here where they gathered for all their special, magical, even demonic rites sometimes, and hopefully we'll get the chance to see one of these places later today. But you know, I can totally get it. I mean, like, look at this city. It's beautiful, yes, but it also, you know, so mysterious. The atmosphere of mystery is in the air here. I can totally get these witches who chose Volterra as the place where they decided to stay. Speaking of witches, guys, I can totally imagine them walking these very narrow streets that look quite eerie, to be honest. Like, it's beautiful, it's very characteristic. I wouldn't want to end up here alone at night, so I think I better hurry up and get out of here. Every single turn you take here in Volterra, you'll find these magnificent views everywhere, literally everywhere. Guys, you probably know by now that I'm a huge fan of the Medici TV series, and I highly recommend you to check it out. If you haven't seen it, go watch it right after this video. It's on Netflix in English-speaking countries, and on Rai and Amazon Prime in Italy. And if you've seen this TV series, you'll probably recognize this area because the set was actually based here. Part of the set and part of the series was filmed here in Volterra. And this area in front of me, basically the Piazza dei Priori and Palazzo dei Priori of Volterra, were transformed into Florence for the set, and Palazzo dei Priori was playing a part of Palazzo Vecchio in Volterra, and I'm so excited to see it. Let's go with me! Guys, I highly recommend you to visit the inside of the palace because the interiors are really spectacular, but most importantly, for me, as a fan of the Medici TV series, a part of the series was filmed inside as well, and I was absolutely stunned by it. And also, you can climb up the bell tower, and well, the climb is long and well, not an easy one, but it's worth it. Guys, Volterra is notorious not only for its witches, but also for very peculiar street names. Like this one is Vicolo degli Abbandonati, which means the street of the abandoned, and there are lots of streets with these very peculiar names. However, look where it leads. As I said before, each turn you take, each street you take, you'll find these magnificent views everywhere. Guys, if you enjoy my content and if you find my videos useful, if they have helped you in some way when planning a trip to Italy, I remind you that you can help me support my channel by using the super thanks button down below. As I said before, Volterra has very real links to some very real historical figures, some of my favorite historical figures, and I'm obviously talking about Lorenzo the Magnificent, Lorenzo de' Medici. And obviously not only the TV series was filmed here, but Lorenzo has had some link to Volterra as well. And in particular, he made some restorations and updates to the fortress of Volterra. It was originally built in the 14th century, and then Lorenzo restored it, and today it is known as the Medici fortress. So yeah, my Medici loving heart is so happy, and I promise you guys that one day I will return to Florence and will walk in all of the places that are linked to the Medici family and will show them to you. Please let me know in the comments if you'd like a video like this. And once again, I highly recommend you to watch this series so that when we go to Florence together to discover all those places, you may feel, you know, a bit closer link to the family thanks to the TV series that is absolutely fantastic. But also, of course, if you're a history fan and if you like the Medici family and the Renaissance history, I'm pretty sure you'll appreciate it. Okay guys, it's time for a check-in to my hotel, so I took my luggage and look how cute my luggage is. I've always wanted a yellow suitcase, and this level 8 suitcase is honestly absolutely perfect because it's lightweight and it's perfect for a girl like me, and I love its wide handle because it makes more space inside. And also, you know how I always talk about making lots of noise when you are dragging your luggage through cobblestone streets? Well, level 8 suitcases actually have wonderful ultra quiet wheels, so you will not disturb the locals when walking the streets. Okay, I left the luggage, the check-in is done, so we can continue our walk around Volterra. Obviously, guys, the Tuscan legacy here in Volterra is very strong. However, you don't have to underestimate the Roman legacy. And this Roman theater, the remains of this Roman theater, is basically the best symbol of the Roman heritage here. I love this place, to be honest. You can actually visit this theater and you just have to go down and enter it, and it's like a museum site. However, in my opinion, the view from here, this panoramic view, is much better. I personally prefer this panoramic view because you can have the view over the hills and over the city a little bit, and obviously just overlooking this Roman theater from up here is absolutely mesmerizing. Guys, I'm so excited to be here right now. This huge stone cliff, whatever, is called Masso di Mandringa, and it is known as, historically has been known as the place where the witches of Volterra reunited for their rites. As promised, I managed to bring you here today. I was not sure whether I'll find it, I was not sure whether I'll make it here today, but I'm so excited to be here. It's just at the outskirts of the city, and honestly, it's very impressive. Oh my god, I will try to get here closer. Whoa! So guys, there is this hole underneath. There is another hole right up here. And it is said that there was a stream coming out from here. And so that during the day there were lots of women and children playing here, maybe doing their laundry or I don't know what. And then during the night there were all those witches reuniting here and coming here. And yeah guys, it looks pretty impressive, and I can imagine why it looks so scary to the medieval folk, especially during the night because of this peculiar form. And yeah, guys, it makes an impression, totally. And that's it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this place as much as I did, and I hope that you feel inspired to come and visit it for yourself, because Volterra definitely deserves visiting, deserves coming here again and again, because there are so many places to see and things to do. I absolutely love it. If you're new here, guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get the notifications of all the upcoming videos. And as usual, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends so I can make more videos like this. Thank you guys for being here and enjoy your day.